Yo, it's ODB from OLP. This is ODB's Corner. I'm going to show you the new HammerD Weekend Wear drops that I just received. Huge shout out to HammerD Weekend Wear, HammerD, weekendwear.com. There's a link in the description. These guys have been with us a long time, back since the days of Ron Perkins. So this bag recently came, and I'm going to try to do more content here, as I've been saying on YouTube. So let's jump right in. Now, I was gone at SEMA. And I just got back yesterday, and I wanted to go through what I got. So first off, love that they do the stickers. You can see here the blazer, the OBS, and then what they do is the front logos for their shirts. They also are great about some of the collateral that they offer. So right there. Now, I have a subscription and I choose to do the tank tops. The unique thing about this brand is they offer a t-shirt, hoodie, zip up, if you will, subscription. I think even banners, technically. So if you take a look at this, that is Craig Raleigh's extended cab OBS, of course. Got the GMC Sierra front end, more than likely a Sierra truck in general. You've got something that we're near and dear to our heart, putting freestyle bikes. We did that with our Mike Dominguez artwork, but you can see their classic styling right there with some great colors. And as I showed you a second ago, you've got that front logo that ties in nicely with the stickers that they offer. So that's number one, the Freestylen. Again, HammerD. That takes you right to their website. You can make this purchase. Now, I got to check with Adam. I do believe they're going to continue the subscription. The open enrollment, as I call it, is in December into, I think, early January, but I think it's typically December, and that allows for you to buy into that subscription, if you will, and then when these come out, they drop 2 new designs every 2 months. You basically are able to auto-receive those. I think you can also select different colors, not just black. And then here you go, for you mini truckers. You've got the blazer. There you go, right there. The blazer. And you can see there, the sticker ties in nicely. So those are the new drops for HammerD Weekend Wear. Shout out to Adam, Trip, and Fam. Thank you guys for all the support. They've been a continued supporter of OLP for a very long time, and although we have our own brand, we think it's important to highlight others in the scene, including our family, if you will, at HammerD Weekend Wear. Now, the good thing is they typically will stock their content for months and months and months, if not years. So typically, during the pre-sale, the big win that you get is you can get the larger sizes they don't typically stock. Also, any additional colors that they don't plan to stock, they offer those in pre-sale. After the pre-sale is over, you can typically still pick up a black shirt, hoodie, tank top, if you will, sticker, banner, right on their website. So check them out. And if you love their designs as much as we do, consider the subscription. I do believe that's going to open again in December. We'll be talking more about that with Adam and team at HammerD Weekend Wear. ODB, this is ODB's Corner. We out of here. Peace.